Hey, what's up, good people? It's your boy Sultan Jervis here. Nimefika kwa nyumba saa hii. Actually, nilifika nikapata hakuna signal kwa TV. I'm just exhausted. I'm disappointed at the same time. Actually, nikakuja na idea. I came up with an idea. Nikaona sometimes it happens. Unapata unafika kwa nyumba, then hakuna signal kwa TV. Fika tu kwa nyumba hivi unapata hakuna signal. Unaboeka, unazima TV unalala, of which it was not your idea. Unalala tu juu kwa sababu hakuna signal. So hata mimi nimefika saa hii, the same case happened and I thought like I came up with an idea. Sometimes it happens, signal imepotea, hakuna signal kwa TV, and the only thing people might be thinking of ni just to call someone. Oh, TV yangu imeharibika, I don't know how to fix it, siwezi ona TV, come and fix it. And then mtu anakuja anafanya kazi kidogo kidogo, unampea do mob, which we should learn how to save. In this Kenya, we should be learning how to save. So I came up with an idea. I want to show you how to fix the problem. Next time pia ndio usite fundi pia akuje kuchukua pesa. Site fundi kuja kuchukua pesa yako. So let me show you how to fix the problem. Of course, I want to prove to you hakuna signal. Let me prove. You can see there hakuna signal. But the air is connected. The air is connected to the TV. So in just few seconds, let me show you how to fix the problem. Let me go to my camera. Where can I put it? Let me just there. I'll show you how to fix the problem. So first of all, you remove the cable from where it is connected. Unaitoa hapo kwa TV. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, so you open it. You see where's the problem. Oh my gosh, it is not connected yet. Nimeshikilia tu hapo lakini haiko connected ndani. So let me show you how to connect it. So this ndio ile cable, hiyo ndio mdomo ya mbele, hiyo inaingia kwa hiyo port ya TV, and this is the aerial. So what we do, you simply make sure yaka kachuma kameingia hapa ndani ya kaka shimo, then the easy wires za nje, you make sure they are attached to this. So you simply do this. Let me do it which way. I don't know if you can see there. So you do this, you put it there, you insert it there, then hii wire nje you make sure umeifungia na hii kitu tightly, because I came here, I found it that haiko attached vizuri. So you make sure umeingisha kwa nguvu, you make sure the kachuma imeingia ndani, then hizi wire za nje zimeshikana hapo. Yeah, then you press this one, inashikilia kabisa. Yeah, so when it is connected full like that, then unarudisha hii ni ya nje, you close the way it was. So you make sure, let me show you, there it is. So unarudisha kwa TV, make sure iingie ndani vizuri. Just a minute. Hata ilichukua 1 minute kweli? Wanna prove this. Ilichukua 1 minute? I don't think so. So ingekuwa ni mtu mwingine angefika kwa nyumba, apart there's no signal, aanze kupigia watoto kelele, signal mpeleka wapi, what happened with the TV, aanze kupigia fundi simu. So that's the easiest way to solve those issues. Hii ni kitu dogo, that's how you fix it. You continue enjoying your shows on the TV. Instead of kupigia mtu simu anakuja hapa anaunda venye nimeunda alafu anadisha pesa mingi. So learn to save, accept to learn. Be watching my videos on YouTube. I will be showing you more things on how to fix problems. Yeah, because we live in this world to learn. Hakuna mtu anajua kila kitu. Of course kuna vitu zingine basically, kuna vitu zingine zi unapata wewe mwenyewe hujui, but accept to learn. So if you want to learn more about lifestyles, all those things which can happen in the house, and then all those problems that you can't fix because of failure to have the information, be watching my videos. Ingia YouTube, search Sultan Jervis. If that person subscribe to my channel, enjoy my shows. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment on my videos. See you in the next episode.